looks like she's starting to clear up a little bit. Not sure. Well, this thing's been sitting for years, so. All right, we got to tighten up this one injector. That injector line right there. That's the only one that's leaking.
Spray that first. There you go.
Whew.
Jesus.
Well, it wouldn't start, now it wouldn't want to shut down.
It really sounds decent. It's just very hazy.
Whew. Yeah, well, my eyes are watering.
I know, it's a hazer.
You know what that means? There's probably a bad injector or two.
Well, let's run a bunch of cleaners through it and get her moving. See if that works, and if that doesn't, we'll start popping injectors off.
Right, I say we run a tank full through it before we worry about that too much.
Yeah, because we can peel injectors apart and clean them up.
Yeah.
See if we can do it the phony baloney way.
Well, they're not much. Those injectors are cheap.
I don't think it is. Right there it probably is.
Yeah.
Put a little solder on that.
Or a hot dog bun like they did at the racetrack.
The old hot dog bun trick, eh?
Yep, gets in there, shuts them right up.
That's what hot dogs do best. Shut people up.
You don't put the hot dog in it, just the bun.
No, the whole dog. Relish, onions.
Oh man, why me? Not the whole hot dog, just the bun. Always crammed them in a radiator at the racetrack.
That's just.
I guess Strowman was the best.
That's just drunken racetrack talk.
Drunken racetrack, huh? Well, listen, they cut it down to a 2 6-pack per person maximum. So now we got to put the brake on it. We got a bunch of stuff to do this, but I'm going to see if I can let Connor do all the hard work while I just film it. That's funny.
Well, we had this all cleaned.
You got to stand, no matter what you do on this machine, you got to stand on your head.
Is this the right spline? It's got to be.
Yeah. Yeah, that goes on first though.
Well,
oh, it's already got that.
Already got one on it. This is an extra one we had. Yeah, there we go.
You got her? Okay, then that cover goes on there.
Now where are the bolts?
That's a great question.
But these got nuts too. I don't think
No, there's got to be bolts that just go on there. Right there, Connor. Some short bolts right there.
Looks like we had it all
by your knee. Yeah, we were all set to go. 4 years ago when we
see that plate goes on the inside there to hold that there thingy.
Yeah, and then we got to put that because we went high and low, right?
Well, of course. And that's what it pivots on, right?
Yeah.
So I just got to get it jimmy rigged into this one.
Yep.
But I didn't see that.
And then that hooks into that lever right there. And these levers here are the steering control, but we don't have pins for them. I have to go find some pins.
This hose is in the way. That hose is hosing us.
No, well, it won't be once your thing's in right, once it's hooked up right. If we have to, we'll use a bungee strap, pull a hose over. Huh?
It worked.
That's what we do, bungee straps.
Giddy up. So that's out of the way.
So you think it'll start again?
Yeah, of course. Of course.
Oh, where's the smaller screwdriver?
Start again.
I need both screwdrivers. How are you guys doing? Good, Mark. Good. What's going on? Stand back.
All right.
You ready?
Yep.
You got the seat on it and everything? Well, you're raring to go, aren't you?
Oh, it's so comfy.
You ain't going far. Okay, here we go.
Not going far at all.
Wow, fired right up. Wow, it didn't even spin. The other lever's got to be in too. You might be in neutral. Well, you're just bending that far. Give it some gas. Oh, hey, gotta move, is it? It ain't even twitching. Check the oil level. thing's seized up in there.
It wasn't full of water, it ain't seized up.
It wasn't full of water, no.
It worked only 3 years ago.
Seems like it'll work again. Well, if nothing else, it's pretty effective mosquito deterrent.
Okay, why doesn't it move? Do you think it's just no good?
The pump's in the transmission for that, right?
Good.
Yeah, no, here's the pump, Connor.
Well, that's one pump. I think it's got two, doesn't it?
No, this pump down here.
Oh, okay.
So
That's the pump.
We got this running, but it's not moving, so we got to figure that out.
So it's not really running.
It makes noise, but it doesn't move. Is that better?
Oh, a lot of comedians around today. Yeah, the key has a special security chip in it. Wow. Starts right out now, buddy. Did you take that line right off? Yeah, that was seized tight. Pump the tap in. Take the pressure off. That made a noise. Yep. Rolling. Yep. Yep.
The shaft stopped for a second, too.
The what?
The shaft stopped for a second.
Yeah. That's good. That means the transmission's working. Whoa! Things are working. Jeepers creepers. Holy smokes! Oh, maybe it did need oil in it. Hey, Con, you want to pick them rams up?
Yeah, don't get sprayed. I don't know what you can with this.
Good. Did it pick both of them? Holy smokes, things are working. Oh, we didn't expect that to happen.
Gotta free up this one won't go because it's not freed up.
Right,
So that'll probably go once it's freed up.
it will.
Gotta say, I feel a little dangerous. I feel dangerous now.
Oh no, there's no danger. There's no danger at all. I'll tell you what, here's what we got to do. You got to get that freed up.
Yes.
We got to back it up there, and then we got to pull the tracks up on.
I want to go back and forth a couple times.
Okay. Just don't run it off the tracks.
I know, that's why we gotta get both sides working.
You know what else? You got to get rid of the blocks before you back up. I ain't going back there to do that. Look at that, we're making money. Finding wrenches is making money.
You got spun it again.
Not yet, Mark. You got to keep expectations low. I still don't have all that much confidence. Well, give us some gas. I'd shut the thing down. Mainly because I'm sick of hearing it.
Yeah, I thought, geez, I came up around the corner here and I saw somebody on a bicycle. I thought maybe it was you, Connor.
So you're going to catch him on a bicycle doing real exercise? That's crazy.
This is as close to a bike as I get.
Well, I saw his truck alongside the road.
This is way harder to push up the hill than a bicycle.
Me driving this around before a bike.
What are you thinking?
I'm thinking
You're gonna try to.
it spins fine.
You just can't grab the. It spins?
I'm gonna grab this. I'm gonna whack the vice grip with a hammer.
It spins back and forth, but it won't go forward and back?
Yeah. Perfectly normal if you ask me. I know, but
So it turns, but it doesn't go back and forth. That means it's not something else going on, Con. That ain't good.
it ain't moving. Detent ball? Do you think we overextended it at some point?
You know what though? It's probably just a detent that's stuck down
But
in.
I don't remember doing that. And the detents are right under these Allen keys, so you could probably take it out and spray a bunch of PB blast down in it.
I don't know what to do. Is it? It's not extended further than. It's not overextended, right?
No. No, it shouldn't be.
So that spool will spin, but it won't. Does it spin all the way around? Well, you know what? That end of it may not hook. That may not be the actual spool. See if you can tap it down very slightly. Does it move at all?
Well, how am I going to tap it?
Get on there, a little teeny hammer, and tap it.
Let me get this back on, and then we'll tap this, and we'll see if it taps. Got a tapper? Where'd that screwdriver go? Oh, that hammer driver.
I hate to say it, Con, but you might have to pull the front off so you can get to it.
No, I just put the front on.
I know.
I'm not pulling it off. It's the wrong direction.
Sometimes you got to go backwards to go forwards.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I just made that up.
Did you just make that?
Uh-huh. Oh, yeah, put it like that and hit the back of the vice grip. You moved it.
It's free.
Okay, see if you can work with the lever maybe.
Yep, we'll pin it back on. Looks like we got to this just in the nick of time, huh?
Well, I don't know. Because these are freeing up pretty good now, aren't they?
They're all going to free. And then they're going to be too free.
Blowing oil all over the place.
Yeah, exactly.
No. Is it free? Oh, you're not pinned in. I guess I jumped the gun on that one a little.
Yeah, I can see you're getting pretty excited about this.
Isn't he? It doesn't take much to excite him.
What's exciting? Oh, you got her, man. Want me to start it?
Crazy how stuff seizes up. Gonna whack it with a hammer.
Yeah.
Well, that'll never be a problem again. Maybe fix that. Yeah, start her up. Let's see if it moves.
Ready?
Now let me install the seat.
When you go too far, you're going to be out of railroad track.
I know, it's kind of like a train at this point, isn't it?
Yeah, with one track.
It's a little crispy.
What am I going to land on?
Check the oil, it might have sucked it up into the converter. Yeah. Maybe it went as far as it's gonna. I don't know. Well, we got her moving. That's a good start. Next step, get the tracks up on it. There's a couple bolts there I see missing bolt holes. We're gonna get them bolted up because that is pretty integral to keeping the rear transmission and final drive in the actual machine, which I think we probably want to do.
No, we put all them in it.
No, there's two bolts I see them missing.
Jeez, I keep thinking you're explaining this for me.
No. You don't matter, man. It's YouTube. Well, that's probably why I was sluggish.
I was just gonna say you're kind of wasting your time.
No, you'd enjoy it, Mark. Come on. It's just a big hunk of iron that moves, I guess. I don't know.
That it is. That is. You would never want to bury that. Holy smokes.
Yeah, because I don't got nothing that'll drag it out.
It's a little foamy.
Foamy? Yeah, well, she's been churning up some air.
Yeah, so maybe if it settles out, it might actually be better. It's foamy and the actual oil is halfway. We got to add another 4 gallons or something. Probably all foam.
I guess we'll play with this again tomorrow, huh?
Need more fluid.
We're getting back to this before 4 years are up.
Pretty much should do it tomorrow. We should have the tracks on it tomorrow. Is what we gotta do, you know?
Before things freeze up. Well, either way, I'll work on it. Don't feel guilty about me working out here and slaving on this all by myself.
Okay.
Well, guys, thanks a lot for watching this. I hope you enjoyed the video. Share this video if you know anybody who's interested in that kind of thing, and thanks again. See you on the next one.